Gracious God, this morning I come with a heart seeking your peace and comfort. As the day begins, let your presence calm every anxious thought, soothe every restless feeling, and bring rest to my weary soul. Help me to release the burdens I carry and embrace the serenity that comes from trusting in you. Fill my mind with clarity, my heart with calm, and my spirit with joy, so that I may walk through this day grounded in your love. Let the worries that weigh me down dissolve in your light. When past hurts try to surface, remind me that your forgiveness covers all, and that healing begins when I surrender to your grace. Teach me to let go of resentment, anger, and pain, replacing them with compassion, understanding, and love. May your peace settle deeply within me, quieting the storms of emotion and restoring my sense of wholeness. Guide me to approach every situation with patience and wisdom. When conflicts arise, give me the strength to respond with gentleness rather than frustration. Let empathy lead my interactions, and let understanding prevail over judgment. Show me how to bring calmness into every environment I enter, reflecting your love through my words and actions. Help me to forgive myself for mistakes, and to remember that growth comes from learning, not from dwelling on past failures. Teach me to embrace my imperfections with grace, knowing that your strength is made perfect in weakness. Let self-compassion fill the spaces where doubt and shame try to creep in, and may your light illuminate the way toward emotional freedom. Fill me with courage to face any lingering fears or anxieties. When uncertainty surrounds me, help me to find stability in your promises. Let faith be my anchor, hope my companion, and love my guide. Remind me that even in the most difficult moments, your presence is unwavering and your care is constant. Grant me the ability to nurture my mental and emotional well-being. Help me to take time for reflection, to breathe deeply, and to reconnect with your spirit. Let meditation on your word bring insight and clarity, and let prayer become a source of healing and restoration. May I find comfort in your truth and strength in your guidance. Teach me to release control over things I cannot change. Help me to trust your plan, even when I cannot see the full picture. Let surrender bring peace, and let acceptance open the door to transformation. Show me that your timing is perfect, and that your wisdom exceeds my understanding in every situation. Guide my heart toward healthy relationships. Let compassion, empathy, and patience shape my connections with others. When misunderstandings or hurt arise, provide the grace to reconcile and the wisdom to foster harmony. May my interactions reflect your love, bringing encouragement and support to those around me. Help me to cultivate inner peace through gratitude. Let me recognize and appreciate the blessings in my life, both great and small. Teach me to focus on abundance rather than lack, joy rather than sorrow, and hope rather than despair. Let thankfulness become a daily practice that strengthens my spirit and aligns my heart with your presence. Grant me resilience to navigate emotional challenges. When life feels overwhelming, remind me to pause, breathe, and reconnect with you. Let each challenge become an opportunity for growth, deepening my faith and strengthening my character. Guide me to respond with wisdom, patience, and calmness, rather than reacting in haste or frustration. Fill my mind with positive thoughts and intentions. Help me to speak words that uplift rather than tear down, to think thoughts that heal rather than harm, and to act in ways that reflect your love. Let your peace govern my emotions, and your spirit guide my choices throughout the day. Teach me to honor my emotions without being controlled by them. When sadness arises, allow it to teach empathy and understanding. When anger surfaces, guide me to respond with calm and reason. When fear threatens, let faith replace doubt, and let courage rise in its place. May every emotion serve as a messenger, guiding me closer to your wisdom and love. Provide me with comfort in moments of loneliness. Remind me that I am never truly alone, for your presence surrounds me always. Let companionship with you fill the emptiness, and let the assurance of your care bring serenity and peace. May I always feel held, protected, and valued in your embrace. Help me to release past traumas and pain. Let forgiveness, for myself and others, be a key that unlocks healing. Show me how to let go of grudges, bitterness, and regret, replacing them with understanding, compassion, and joy. Let your spirit renew my mind and refresh my soul, bringing restoration to every wounded place within me. Guide me in making choices that honor my emotional well-being. Lead me to decisions that foster peace, harmony, and balance. Show me how to set boundaries when necessary, embrace self-care as an act of love, and prioritize what truly nourishes my soul. Let every choice be a reflection of your wisdom and care. Instill in me the ability to cope with stress gracefully. When pressures mount, remind me to pause and breathe, to reflect and realign with your guidance. Let calmness replace anxiety, patience replace frustration, and understanding replace judgment. Teach me to navigate challenges with poise, grounded in your peace. Encourage me to embrace rest and rejuvenation. Let moments of quiet reflection restore my mind, body, and spirit. May sleep, stillness, and prayer become sanctuaries of restoration, where your presence brings healing and renewal. Help me to balance activity with rest, knowing that both are essential for wholeness. Help me to cultivate a mindset of hope and optimism. Let me see possibilities where others see obstacles, opportunities where challenges appear, and light where darkness seems overwhelming. Guide my perspective toward your truth, where every difficulty can be met with faith, resilience, and courage. Fill me with compassion for myself and others. Teach me to listen deeply, to respond with kindness, and to act with love. Let empathy guide my words, actions, and thoughts, creating spaces of peace and understanding in my environment. May I become a source of healing and encouragement to those around me. Strengthen my connection with your spirit. Let prayer, meditation, and reflection deepen my awareness of your presence. Help me to recognize your guidance, trust your direction, and experience the tranquility that comes from walking closely with you. May this connection be a constant source of renewal and emotional healing. Guide me to release perfectionism and embrace acceptance. Teach me to honor my journey, celebrate progress, and learn from mistakes. Let grace replace judgment, understanding replace criticism, and love replace frustration. May my heart be free to experience the fullness of peace and emotional well-being. Encourage me to find joy in simple moments. Let gratitude, laughter, and appreciation fill my days. Teach me to savor experiences, cherish relationships, and celebrate life's blessings. May these small joys weave together to create a tapestry of peace, contentment, and fulfillment. Lord, help me to embrace forgiveness as a pathway to healing. Release me from the chains of anger, resentment, and bitterness. Guide me to extend grace to those who have wronged me and to offer compassion to myself for past mistakes. Let forgiveness open my heart to freedom, peace, and emotional restoration. Strengthen my mind to resist negative influences. Guard me against thoughts that breed fear, anxiety, or despair. Let your truth illuminate my mind, your love warm my heart, and your guidance direct my choices. May every thought align with your principles and bring calm and clarity to my spirit. Provide me with patience as I navigate emotional challenges. Teach me to allow feelings to flow without being overwhelmed, to respond thoughtfully rather than react impulsively, and to maintain inner balance in every circumstance. Let your presence be my stabilizing force, grounding me in peace and understanding. Help me to embrace vulnerability as a strength. Let me be open to experiencing emotions fully, connecting with others authentically, and sharing my journey with humility. May vulnerability lead to growth, intimacy, and deeper healing as your spirit guides and sustains me. Grant me courage to face unresolved emotions. Help me to confront fears, regrets, and wounds with honesty and faith. Let your love be the balm that soothes pain, the light that illuminates the path forward, and the strength that carries me through. May every step toward healing deepen my trust in you. Encourage me to nurture my soul through positive practices. Let prayer, reading, reflection, and acts of kindness reinforce emotional health. Guide me to create habits that foster inner peace, strengthen resilience, and cultivate joy. May my daily practices become expressions of your love and sources of restoration. Help me to let go of what I cannot control. Teach me to release anxiety, surrender outcomes, and trust your divine plan. Let peace replace worry, faith replace doubt, and calm replace turmoil. May I walk in freedom, knowing that your Spirit sustains me in every circumstance. Guide me to embrace compassion in every interaction. Let understanding replace judgment, empathy replace criticism, and kindness replace impatience. May my relationships be a reflection of your love, fostering peace, healing, and connection with those around me. Remind me that emotional healing is a journey, not a destination. Let patience, perseverance, and grace accompany me along the way. May your Spirit provide guidance, encouragement, and renewal at every stage, shaping me into a vessel of peace and restoration. Finally, let this day be a testimony of your healing power. May my thoughts, words, and actions reflect the serenity, compassion, and strength you provide. Let peace fill my heart, joy lift my spirit, and emotional healing flow through every part of my being. Thank you for your presence, guidance, and love. Amen.